Hi, Albert Broadfoot here. I'm going to show you how to install the new ARP head studs. First of all, after you have your old studs out, you need to chase all the threads with a thread chaser. This is different than a tap. A tap will open up the threads too much and you'll end up pulling head studs or lowercase studs, whatever you're tapping. So you always want to use an ARP thread chaser. I've already chased all these threads in here, but normally you'll have to run it down with a wrench all the way to the bottom, clean up the threads, bring it back out, and then get your stud. I have the brand new ARP head studs, and then you want to use Loctite 272 on each stud. You don't have to put a lot on, not that much. That's actually probably too much, but it'll work. So you install your stud to the correct depth. In this case, it's 139.70. It's the total height off the deck. So we'll screw this in. That's one down. I'll end up putting a collar on here with the head nut, set it to torque. That'll pull up on the thread locker, and I'll leave it like that for about 24 hours. I'm going to do all of them that way, and that'll secure the stud better in the case half. And that's it for now.